In a major development, Karishma Kapoor's children, Samaira and Kian, have approached the court seeking a share in their late father, and it's causing quite a stir in both the legal world and the Kapoor family. Amid the ongoing legal battle, Samaira and Kian took a moment to quietly remember their father on what would have been his birthday. Karishma Kapoor shared a heartwarming image of a birthday cake with the message, "Happy Birthday Dad." Karishma's sister, Kareena Kapoor Khan, also reshared the photo, adding an emotional note for her niece and nephew, writing, "My Sam and Q, Dad is protecting you always and forever," followed by a heart emoji. The matter is currently being heard in the Delhi High Court. Senior advocate Rajiv Nair, representing Priya Kapoor, the wife of late Sanjay Kapoor, has strongly opposed the civil suit filed by Karishma's children. Nair argued that the suit had no legal grounds, stating, "There is no challenge to this will, you have not challenged the execution or validity of the will in the pleadings." He emphasized that the plaintiffs were aware of the will as early as July and that a formal reading was held in their presence. He further pointed out, there is no amendment to the plaint or any replication challenging the will. He argued that minor errors like spelling mistakes could not invalidate the will, stating, "I have never seen a will invalidated for spelling errors." On the other side, senior advocate Mahesh Jethmalani, representing Karishma's children, has argued that the will was forged. He pointed out multiple irregularities, including the use of feminine pronouns to describe the testator and the omission of Sanjay's mother from the will. Jethmalani described the will as riddled with contradictions and questioned the authenticity of the document, especially since Priya Kapoor was both the propounder and sole beneficiary. The High Court has heard both sides and will continue hearing the case on Friday for further arguments. The question remains, will the court uphold the will or side with Karishma's children? This legal battle is far from over, and all eyes are on the Delhi High Court as it considers the future of Sanjay Kapoor's assets. We'll keep you updated on the latest developments in this emotional family dispute.